This is my hotel room at the El Cortez, 5549. Here we go. Beds. TV. Dresser. Oh, mini fridge. I didn't expect that. That's will be convenient to have. I'm not thrilled with the location of the room, but what can you do? It is what it is. There's the safe, little closet with a blow dryer, ironing board, the towels, little sink. Okay. And the bathroom. Hopefully the water pressure will be halfway decent. Oh. Never taken a shower with one of those kinds of heads before. That will be interesting. We'll see what that's like. So, oh good, 3-pronged outlets, that's good. Looks like outlets there as well. Another outlet over here, good. Well, that's the room. And this is my view, which isn't very particularly thrilling. And if I want to see something, I've got to go over here. I can see Container Park. Oh, I can see the grasshopper from here. Good. Oh. They're having a little dance-a-thon down there. Okay, well, stratosphere. There we go. That's room 5549.